Hi there. In today's video, we'll show you how to speed up uploading and cloning using the Symlink Uploads Folder option. This links the Uploads folder from your production site to the staging site, so nothing needs to be copied. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to the WP Staging tab and click on Staging Sites. Now you'll see a button labeled Create Staging Site. Click it to begin setting up a new staging site. Enter a name for your staging site. Then click on Check Required Disk Space to see the estimated disk space needed before enabling the Symlink option. Click on the Advanced Settings tab, check the box labeled Symlink Uploads Folder, and then check your estimated disk space again after enabling the Symlink option. Click Start Cloning to begin. Once it's done, you'll see Staging Site created successfully. Then just click the Close button. Your efficient and fast staging site has been successfully created. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content.